Meaning of gecko.
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 Gecko. A gecko is a small, often colorful lizard found in warm climates around the world. They are characterized by their sticky toes and ability to climb vertical surfaces, thanks to millions of tiny hairs on the bottom of their feet. Some species of geckos are popular as pets due to their unique appearance and ease of care. Geckos also play an important role in many ecosystems as predators of insects and other small animals. Overall, geckos are fascinating creatures that have captured the imagination of people for centuries.